If you want to start affiliate marketing and want to start making money online, but you don't have a website to start promoting your free affiliate marketing affiliate links, well, this video is perfect for you. So in this video, I'm going to reveal to you how to do affiliate marketing without a website and also give you the top 5 best free traffic sources to do right now, step by step. Well, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm also going to give you free value pack content just like this in the nearby feature. And make sure you stay to the end of this video because I'm going to give you a free special gift that's going to help you on your affiliate market journey as a new beginner online. So let's get started right now. Now, before I show you the 5 free traffic sources to get some free traffic online, I want to show you this right here. Now, this is a free landing page software. The reason why I'm giving you this free landing page software called Linktree is because if you simply send your link directly to on social media platform that I'm about to show you, then you will get banned. So I don't want you to get banned. So this is why I'm giving you this free landing page software so you can promote your affiliate link to be able to make money still. So what you would do on link page is create your account, and then once you create your account, you're gonna go to your back office just like this. We're gonna be able to add your new affiliate link, and you'll click add new link, and then from here you're gonna have to put in your title of your affiliate link and your URL link. Then from here you can use the 5 free traffic sources that I can show you to be able to make money online. So the first free traffic source I want to show you to be able to make money is a traffic source called Quora. So Quora is a platform where people has questions and you're gonna come in and answer these questions for them to be able to make money. So let's say you already chosen your niche and you already your product ready to go to promote. So all you got to do now is you have to type in your niche. So let's say your niche is keto diet or like weight loss or simply make money online. You type in your industry right here on top, and you're gonna find questions based on people what they have, and you're gonna answer them, such as like, what is keto diet? Is keto diet good for weight loss? Or what are the benefits of keto diet? And let's say you find this question right here, you basically want to answer. So what is keto diet? So what you would do from here is that you go to answer, and once you click on answer, you're going to give you an answer box where you can answer this simple question to be able to make money. So what you would do here is answer the question. So you type in keto diet is blah 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 blah, right? So you type in that, whatever you're going to say for that answer, and then once you have typed in your answer, what you can do at the end of your post, say if you are interested and if you're interested in more keto diet tips, you can say go here for more details, right? And then this is where you can put your affiliate link, go here for more details, and at your affiliate link you go back to Linktree and go right here to share your affiliate link and get your link, go back to Quora and highlight go here for more details and link it. And once people click that, they're gonna go to your offer or your whatever your niche in, and they're gonna buy from you to be able to make money. So the beauty of Quora is that they're gonna have hundreds of different questions you can choose from on a daily basis. You answer like maybe 5 to 10 each and every single day to be able to make money. And also, if you go right here to buy time, you can choose by past hour, past day, past week, past month, and past year to see which questions pop up on a weekly or daily or monthly basis to be able to answer questions to get traffic to your affiliate link to be able to make money. So the second free traffic source I want to show you is a traffic source called TikTok. Now TikTok is a video-based content platform where you're gonna have produce simple short videos, maybe between 15 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. And you're gonna post videos just like this to be able to make money. Now there's different types of niches you can select from, such as like weight loss, keto diet, make money online, and so on and so forth. So whatever your niche you pick from, you want to choose a creator, a top creator, and model them and see what they're doing to be able to get hundreds of traffic to their page to be able to make money. So this page right here, this page is based off like weight loss and keto diet. So as you see right here, she's showing different like products to like lose weight, such as like tomato with ranch, and so she's showing how many calories she's done and the past of when she lost some weight and 4 months to do that. And basically right here, she's getting hundreds of traffic on a daily basis. Once you pump out content like this, maybe 2 or 3 or 5 videos on TikTok per day, you're gonna get a lot of views. And then once you get a lot of views, you're gonna send these people to your affiliate link right here from like Linktree or Beacon or whatever free landing page software you're gonna use to be able to make money. Now you might have the question, well, what if I don't want to show my face on TikTok to be able to make money? So there's a way you can start affiliate marketing on TikTok without even showing your face as well. So what you can do is go to a platform called Pixel, where you can download free videos to your advantage, so you can simply upload it to YouTube without even showing your face. So you can show some videos of other people online, maybe a workout or like whatever niche you select from, and upload videos from there and upload to TikTok and show videos just like this to be able to make money. Or if you don't simply want to show your face, not even doing that method, what you can do is not even show your face from your own camera and just simply show the food just like this of you eating to lose some weight or even gain weight or whatever your industry you're in to be able to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you're finding value out of this video so far, make sure to comment down on affiliate marketing so I know you're finding value out of the video and enjoying this video so far. And let's get back into the video. So the third free traffic source I want to show you is a traffic source called Instagram. Now with Instagram, you can even do this without even showing your face or with showing your face, just like on TikTok. Now with Instagram, you can there's several different content ways how you can get free traffic to promote your affiliate link. So for example, maybe if you want to create content just like this, maybe showing like a transformation from this person had a lot of weight until they lost the weight in the keto diet niche, or you can show like different memes or different foods that they can use to lose weight or get free value from here. And then at the end of your video or end of your post, you can have a description or call to action and say, hey, if you want to find out more how to lose weight, click this custom keto diet plan, and they'll go to that link of your link tree just like this right here, and they'll go to your link tree and purchase from you to be able to make money from promoting your free affiliate marketing link. So the next free traffic source I want to show you, which is number 4, is a traffic source called Pinterest. Now with Pinterest is an image based and it's a little bit of video based content. So on this platform, what you mostly be doing is sharing images to be able to make money by posting your affiliate link. So to do this, what you want to do is maybe create a page around like keto diet niche, and what you want to do is maybe get posts like this. So keto cheesesteak lettuce wraps, easy and delicious. So you can show all these different tips and tricks, maybe how to start intermediate fasting, or how to start keto diet with certain foods, and so on and so forth. Now to create beautiful pins just like this, what you want to do is go to a platform called Canva.com. Now Canva.com is a free platform where you can create templates like on Pinterest to be able to make money by sharing your affiliate link. So to do this, what you want to do is create a free account on Pinterest, and then what you want to do is you want to type in the search bar Pinterest pin, and you can create your own, or you can simply use a free template that's already custom and customized to your liking. And then from here, what you can do is put in some text or some images of background and find an image on here and go to photos. And then once you have done that, you can simply go right here to publish to Pinterest and upload your Pinterest pin to be able to make money. Now what you want to do to add your affiliate link is that you want to go to your bio right here and you want to add your affiliate link. So the last free traffic source you can promote your affiliate link for free without a website is a traffic source called Facebook. And then you can also enter Facebook groups to be able to make money as well. So from here you can enter a Facebook group like fitness, exercise, weight loss, and diet tips, and you can enter these public groups to promote your affiliate link to be able to make money. So here's an example I want to show you. So let's say this person was saying, hey, help me lose some weight, just like this right here. What you can do is go in here and help these people, like give some tips and tricks how to lose weight. And if somebody's interested, you can get your free affiliate marketing link and show how to lose weight with your ClickBank product and have a call to action to that to be able to make money. Or option number 2, what you can do is go back to Canva.com and create your own tips of how to lose weight fast or in 60 days or something like this, something like a post like this, and create a free post on Canva. And what you can do is publish to Facebook and then have a call to action on your post. Say, hey, if you want more interesting tips just like this, check out this link right here, and you'll get more tips and tricks how to lose weight as well, and send them to your affiliate link like I showed you in Linktree, and simply share them on Facebook groups to be able to make money. Now since you stayed to the end of this video, I want to give you my free gift that I want to give you for you to help you make money online. So the free gift I want to give you is my personal free ebook that's going to help you make money online, particularly with affiliate marketing on your online journey, because I know how it is as a new affiliate online to struggle and don't know where to go. So this is where I'm going to give you all the ins and outs about affiliate marketing from step by step, from A to Z, to teach you about affiliate marketing as a beginner. So all you gotta do is click the second link in my description, and I will give you all the details in the free ebook to learn about affiliate marketing in that ebook. Do you want more content just like this? If so, make sure you check out these 2 videos on screen, because once you check out these 2 videos on screen, I'm also gonna show you more ways of how you can start making money online from the comfort of your own home. And it's your boy Darius, and I'm checking out. And always remember, be the boss, don't get boss.